Today, we are kicking off something really important. We're diving headfirst into a topic that, honestly, holds our entire digital world together. We're talking about a world with a line between everything's fine and total disaster can be measured in just a few milliseconds. So let's get right into it.
Take a look at this number, $5,600. Now, this isn't some random guess. This comes from Gartner Research, and it's the average cost of IT downtime. That's how much money is literally vanishing into thin air for every single minute your systems are dark.
And it adds up fast. That per minute cost, it balloons to over $300,000 an hour. Think about that. A 1-hour outage isn't just a headache. For a lot of companies, that's a legitimate financial crisis unfolding in real time.
But here's the real kicker. When we're talking about major cloud outages, the kind that can knock out huge sections of the internet, the typical time to get things back online is more than 6 hours. So no, this isn't a quick turn it off and on again fix. These are deep, complicated problems that take a massive effort to solve.
So it all boils down to this one simple truth. Our businesses, how we communicate, pretty much our entire daily lives, it all runs on these complex networks. And when they fail, everything just stops. The stakes really couldn't be any higher.
And that is exactly why we are so excited to announce this brand new 6-part series. It's based on some fantastic work from Virtualization Options LLC, and it's called Major Network and System Failures. Over the next several explainers, we are going to go deep, and I mean really deep, into the causes, the consequences, and most importantly, the critical lessons learned from a decade of major outages.
So where do we start? Well, first we have to look at the problem itself. What is really going on when things go so wrong? And why do these massive, catastrophic failures keep happening to even the biggest, smartest companies in the world?
So, in the first half of the series, we're really going to unpack the true cost of downtime, and I'm talking way beyond just the dollar signs. We'll dissect the most common root causes, everything from simple human error to catastrophic hardware failure. And we're going to see exactly how one tiny, seemingly harmless mistake can set off a chain reaction, a massive, cascading system failure.
Now, what's really fascinating here is that failures come in all shapes and sizes. On one hand, we're going to dig into the software-driven outages, the ones that have hit giants like AWS and Azure because of a bad configuration file or a buggy update. But on the other hand, we'll also investigate physical failures, like that infamous Rogers cable cut in Canada. That incident was a huge wake-up call, showing that even in our cloud-first world, a single severed cable can bring an entire country to a grinding halt.
But listen, this series isn't just about cataloging disasters. In the second half, we're going to pivot to the solution. We'll start unpacking the real, actionable strategies from industry leaders on how you can build systems that are actually designed to handle the inevitable.
You're going to learn about proven prevention strategies that go way beyond the textbook basics. We'll cover the best practices for what to do when an incident does happen, because believe me, speed and coordination are everything. And we'll get to learn directly from the absolute best in the business, the companies that have managed to turn reliability into their secret weapon.
And just to give you a little taste of the kind of expert-level stuff we'll be covering, we are going to explore some really cool advanced concepts like chaos engineering. Yeah, this is the practice, made famous by Netflix and their Chaos Monkey, of intentionally breaking things in your own live systems. I know, it sounds absolutely crazy, right? But it turns out it's one of the single most powerful ways to find your weak spots before your customers do.
As we start to wrap up this preview, it's really important to land on the one single theme that runs through this entire series, and it's this: resilience is a journey. See, resilience isn't some product you can just buy off a shelf, or a project with a start and an end date. It's a culture. It is a constant, never-ending journey of learning from every mistake, preparing for the worst-case scenario, and always improving. The biggest lesson here is that real, true reliability is built by people and process, not just by technology. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Failure, in some way, shape, or form, is going to happen. It's inevitable. The real question is, what will you build in your tech, in your teams, and in your culture to make sure you can withstand it? I hope you'll join us for part 1 of this series as we start to find some answers.